everyone, Faizan from Data Sites. I'm going to show you how you can sync your Google Sheet data into the database tables. So you can set a sync and refresh it as frequently as you want. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to come inside the connectors and search for Google Sheets. Okay, this is a Google Sheet connector, and you can add a new entry. Before adding the entry, you need to share your Google Sheet with this address. So just go, simply share it. Now come back and let's say I want to add these two columns into a table, and my rows data row starts from row number 3. So what I can do is here I can simply call it, give it a name. Let's say exercise Google Sheet ID is, this is the Google Sheet ID. Okay, you can simply copy it here and give a good tab name. So my tab name is exercises, and I can select table start row number. Okay, this is, you can leave it if you just have a single column, but in this case my data starts with row number 3, so I can say 3. If you want to skip any particular row, then you can give the row number. Okay, let's say for example, if you want to skip 8 or 9, you can say that 8 comma 9. If you want to skip any particular value, in some cases where, let's say for example, some rows contains totals, okay, and you want to skip them, so you can just give the name of the first column, okay, some values of the first column. This is the example, total, grand total. Okay, and you can give any name. This is just a suggestion. And now add the columns. So I just want to add 2 columns, so I can just simply add. Position is important, give it a, b, whatever position of the column is. So my first column would be just round 1, so I can say just round 1 a, this is text, and simply say just round 2 from b column. And I can, if the data type of the column is different, you can just give any other data type. In case of date time, you need to specify the format also. You can check it here. Okay, so in this case, both are text, so this is fine. I can simply go ahead and save it. That's all, and then you can go to sync and set the frequency of the sync. I have already one, so Google Sheet, this is mine, and this is set to sync at 4 p.m. daily, on Monday only. Sorry, you can just set whatever you want. Just add new, say you are connecting in Google Sheet and set the frequency, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever, however you want. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.